I was born in the drought, but I'm flossing tonight. Everything is kinda hazy, cause the flowers is high grade. We breaking these contents, we came for the pirates. Shots we shoot first, you know that. I talk shit and I back it up. You better back up when I'm coming, this will pick up real quick. The hottest, all them other rappers been feeding you nonsense. Flyers, see me sitting in the room, bitch, nigga keep quiet. Man, I'm cocky and I like it, cause I'm selling and they buying. I'm on some fuck shit. Sensational swagger. Every time I pull up, niggas asking for the outfit. The herd of cookies, so they wanna know the outfit. So I can better wear the outfit. Tell them I'm King Kong, I'm banana ground. I beat my chest up, I gotta bring the money home. I need some fake money, fake money, fake money, fake money, fake money. Take money. I'm a don, I'm a boss, I'm a prophet, I'm a G, I'm a CEO, which means that I profit off of me. All white tees, still rocking my neck ass. Fresh out of flight school, cause I'm fly right here. Ain't nothing free, I'm charging the breathe, man. Cause not on made it back, really, who the hell cares? My money long, my nigga, my money strong. If you ain't getting money, that mean you done something wrong. Gotta tell you that we got the recipe. How many times I gotta tell you that I'm taking over streets? Please, God bless you like you sneezed or something. It's a cold summer, she confusing, son. Relaxing under the sun. Put my mind on some shit that's bigger than us. Shit bigger than last, shit bigger than trash. All I see is niggas buried in dust. I'm the motherfucking flyers. See me sitting in the room, bitch, nigga keep quiet. Man, I'm cocky and I like it, cause I'm selling and they buying. I'm on some fuck shit.